welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. So now I know we didn't upload for a very long time. Sorry about that. So now we're gonna do B-loops. Oh, we're already at lesson 8. Haha. Crap. Okay, so let's get started with level 1. Okay. Hi, I'm a bee. Can you help me get the nectar from these flowers? Well, it shows a repeat loop, but I'm not gonna cheat. It's kind of like a cheating thing, but I don't want to cheat. Uh-oh. The laptop's stuck. Laggy? Get nectar. It looks like the bee is happy. It is happy, but I don't know how to express it. Uh-oh. But I don't know how to do this. Like, oh. Huh? Whoa. I'm trying something. But it's not working. I'm trying to reduce the brightness. It's not working. Reload. This time you salute together all the nectar. Two times. Loops is more. Oh, not 22. Loops is a better way. Time total 2089 lines of code. That's a lot. 2000. We'll repeat to get the next. Forward. Oh, we can delete this block. Haha. Oh, that's 5 times into 4. Oh, honey. Let's keep this ready. Nectar. And 4. Make honey. Huh? Oh. This place? Oh my god. I get angry when this doesn't do it because, oh my god, I don't know. I'm not angry. What a beautiful field of flowers. Help the bee visit each one. Can you find a way to do it with food and 7 blocks? Wow, this looks difficult. I don't know how to do this. Let's see, do we turn left? Yeah, I guess so. Yep. 2 move forward. Get nectar. get it. It should be left. 2, 3. This is the one. 10. Is it? Oh, wasn't that hard? Hard. Oh. Don't understand. I don't understand JavaScript. Oh, okay. How many times can you loop? Can help you in this puzzle. Loops are your friend. Use them to complete this puzzle with the fewest blocks possible. Look at the bee, it's facing this way. Nice and happy. Okay. 3 times. Move. Oh, I get it. I got it. 2 times. Move forward, get later, and then right. Oh, up. Oh my god, I always get I always turn right instead of left. I'm not used to the left. Boom! Hey, it's only with 11 blocks and it's saying 16. It was funny, it was like that. I'll show you, it's like going like this. It was like this and then like this. You may see my camera. Oh, those flowers look tasty. Collect the nectar from each of the flowers and do the fewest blocks as possible. Okay. Nectar. Right. I'm gonna make it go to the same spot. I'm gonna make it go to the same spot. The same spot. Try again. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Get nectar. Move forward and make honey. Makey. 'So many blocks. It's just like it's same like last level, but go this side and 2 flower nectar. Okay. Forward. Forward. I know it's a question mark, but. 322. Okay. 9 flowers and 9 nectars in total. Oh my. That's not cool. 21,047. No, 21,000. Huh? Such a busy bee. Such a busy bee. Such a busy bee. I can't say it. Help bee. Help the bee. It's not help bee. Help the bee collect all the nectar and make all the honey the fewest wax as possible. Okay, so this is actually it's a similar one. It's the same one as this one, but it's a little different. It has some honeycomb. It has some honeycomb. And this is easy. This is easy. Clicking me forward. Get nectar. Move again. Honey came left. Yay! Whoa. Okay, this is gonna take a while. Oh, stairway pattern. Stairway? I keep on saying stairway. It's staircase. It's like the bee is going downstairs. Okay, okay. Stairway patterns are really hard in lesson 2 level. Oh my god. The stairway pattern is a little challenging in the course 2 because it doesn't have it doesn't move forward and turn at the same time. Only if you want it. 6, I guess. No, 5. This level's taking a while. Move forward, turn left, get next, turn right, move forward. Right and left. You can only challenging. Yeah, there we go. Boop. 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 It's really funny when it turns and it goes back to the same place. What? Oh, okay, so challenging. Move forward, make honey, get nectar, pull left, make honey, turn right. Say the one you're making nectar and honey. Same time, such a busy bee. Such a busy. Look at all the yellow shading. It doesn't even need to be an assignment. I can do it really. It's really easy. 5 times. 2 times. There we go. I hope it's selecting one because I'm really tired of dragging around. Yay! Okay. Beep, 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 woo. First one. Okay. Look at the screenshot. Okay. So tomorrow. So in the next video, we're gonna do the bee debugging. Debugging is fixing a problem. If you've never known. Okay. So if you, I hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel so I get motivated to do more. It's really fun for me because I love to code so much. Okay, so time to end the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.